you want me to answer this?
I don't have an 8-year-old son, but we can definitely answer that.
Okay, fine, sure. All right, so should I support my 8-year-old son who wants to take a hip hop dance class?
Yes.
I mean, if this is an opportunity for you to be, I'm a dad. She's gonna be a mom in the future.
Maybe.
She's like, we kind of look like brother and sister. So, I'm a dad. For me, anything that my son gets into, I'm gonna do my best to be supportive in it. If this is an opportunity for you to be a supportive parent, because there are things that you're probably there are probably things that you're going to want to do that you want your kid to get into. That's fine, but keep in mind that your son is eventually going to be a person with their own interests. Even now, as a kid, they have their own interests. Let them taste things. Let them try it out, because then that in turn, in my thoughts, starts creating a safe space for them to share with you the things that they want to try. And they might not be good at it at first, but either way, it's an opportunity for you to be a parent that is supportive in what they are interested in.
Also, nowadays, there's actually classes such as Phil Wright's Parent Jam. You could actually take class with your son or your daughter.
Oh, that's cool.
Amazing hip-hop moves, like old school grooves that he actually does.
Phil Wright?
Yeah, Phil Wright.
So if you're in LA.
If you're in LA, and actually lately I think he's been touring and like actually giving those opportunities around the world. I'm not really too sure, but take classes with your kid if the opportunity is provided. You know what I mean?
It can be a bonding moment.
A dance parent that actually will help your son or your daughter open up to you more in the future because, hey, you did something with your kid at that age. So, hell yes. My bad, was I not supposed to
That's
say
fine.
hell?
No, I curse.
Fuck yes.
Alright. If you look like this, but you want to look like this, don't skip this video. Check out my course, Hip Hop Dance for Beginners, where you guys get early access to routines like this and tips and tricks that I don't share on this channel. For the past 15 years, I've been teaching dancers from all ages, shapes, and sizes how to move, so I'm pretty sure I can help you out as well. So all you've got to do is click the link down below, and I'll see you in class.